Hi guys, this is Preeti this side and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vaccination day vlog of mine. Today I'm going to get vaccinated with the second dose and the final dose of it, and my mother is going to take the first dose. And oh my god, I am been in front of the camera after so long. Like I've taken break from this thing like for 2 weeks because 1 week to pujo gelo and one more week I have like literally taken break from all of these things, and yeah, I think that's kind of fair enough. So right now I'm at my worst phase possible because I haven't taken a bath, I haven't had my breakfast. Like I had a bit of breakfast, not really lunch. So we have slots from 12 to 2 and 2 to 3. Like 12 to 2 is for my mother and 2 to 3 is for me. And now it's already 12 and we haven't left the house yet. So we'll be leaving by 1 hopefully, because we all need to have bath, and Papa said that he will also come with us. So that's also a thing. But not much has changed between these 2 days of like vaccination. As I've taken Sputnik, so its second dose is within 20 days and today is the 20th day, so I will be taking it today. And no, nothing much has changed. Not really it affected any daily routine of mine. Yeah, a bit like we need to drink a lot of water, lots and lots of water, because that increases our thirst after the vaccination. I think after every vaccination this is the same thing. And no, nothing much has changed really. But I really don't know. Again, I am an injection phobic, so I really don't know, and I'm really scared right now. So let me get fresh up right now. But one more thing, if something really has changed in between these 20 days, is like my hair. Like I have shortened my hair to a level, and I have been in a parlor after like after 1.5 years. I have been in a parlor, I had a haircut, was freshen up, and I'm really excited. Last time when my vaccination was like the first dose, I had like this long hair, but now I have made my hair short and really comfortable right now. So this is one really thing, important thing which has changed in between these 2 doses, and nothing much has changed. But right now I need to take my bath because I'm already getting late. So guys, I am almost ready. So I have changed into this comfortable crop top and jeans, and I try to be in a comfortable zone right now. And I even don't know why am I showing all this to you people and why am I getting decked up like that. Might be I'm scared, that's why. So we basically back home. I actually forgot to vlog after the vaccination because I was so much into eating, and I was very excited that I have been fully vaccinated now. But somebody is experiencing the first dose ka post traumatic things. Not really traumatic, but yeah, to some extent traumatic. So here's presenting my mother. How are you feeling? হাউ আর ইউ ফিলিং? মা কিছুক্ষণ আগেই বলছিল খুব খেতে ইচ্ছা করছে মার, বিকজ
ভীষণ খিদে পাচ্ছে।
that also happened with me after the first dose, but that doesn't happen with papa. It happened with me that আমার খুব খুব খেতে ইচ্ছা করছিল. I thought I was pregnant. But no, after the vaccination you like literally crave for your favorite things, and right now it's happening with mama as well, right?
Yes.
But I have like my hand have started paining, and I don't know, this always happens with me, but my mother have no pain right now. During my first dose ka thing also my hand started paining. Like I don't know why it always happens with me, because I freak out.
জোর আনে আর মানে এরগুলোর মধ্যেও কিছু আছে, মানে খাবার পরই মানে নেবার পর থেকে না শুধু খাই খাই মনে হচ্ছে, শুধু খাই খাই লাগছে, অদ্ভুত ব্যাপার, শুধু খাই 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 মনে হচ্ছে কিছুক্ষণ ধরে আমার। ওই জন্যই
Hi guys, good morning. I actually forgot to, not really forgot because I was not well. My hand was paining so badly, and I had fever also. My mother also had fever, so some works were pending for me, so I couldn't complete that. And also, I wanted to end the vlog yesterday only, but I couldn't. So, for instance, I'm gonna end the vlog, but before ending the vlog, I want to show you guys something which I'm preparing for my room decor, like the wall behind me. I will be doing certain paintings and will print some photo frames for the rooms, and I want that to be hand painted, and I will be painting that. For that thing, it will be also a Diwali decor. আমাদের তো কালী পুজো হয়, so Kali Pujo and Diwali are like significant. So I am preparing something for that, and for that I am making the specimen copies, and then I do the final thing in the canvas itself. So here are the glimpses of it, and I hope you people will love it. So I guess that's pretty much it about this. I hope you like my vaccination vlog. My second dose today, I am much better, and yeah, there is no side effects right now. And in the first dose also, there was no as such side effects, but the hand is paining like very hard. It's paining very hard, and I'll complete all these things in few days from now, and just finalize all of these things very soon. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to not miss any update about any video in my channel. And please again, stay safe everyone, and there are a lot more coming up, so stay tuned.